Morning, students. Yeah, welcome to the class of Mathics. So my name is Sanjeev and welcome to my channel of Mathics. Just subscribe to my channel and I will request for any kind of query you can put up into the comment box. Prior to this, I have posted the videos, multiple videos on mathematics and physics for the decimals, for the concepts of decimals introduction and the integers and the basic concepts which are very much required for the success in a particular competitive examinations and their regular school studies. So students, today our topic is uh, introduction to geometry. Introduction to geometry. It's a very important concept. In geometrical concepts, once you are having it, then you will be able to solve the various numericals of the physics. And if you are planning for the JE and other NEET examinations also, it's important. Okay, because the physics numericals and multiple questions of mathematics are very much dependent upon this geometry. Okay, so first of all, I want to just show you what is trigonometry. In a trigonometry, we deal with a triangle which is a right angle triangle. So, taking an example, in a right angled triangle ABC is like this. This angle is on 90-degree, right? So, friends, let me mark it. A right angle triangle ABC. So, we just denote it as ABC. Triangle ABC means B is the central angle. So, we can see that angle B is of 90-degree. So, I hope you have understood hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. Okay. If not, let me show you. In a right angle triangle ABC, which I marked over here, A to B, AB is called P. P for perpendicular. Perpendicular. That means that is AB is perpendicular to BC. BC is the base. Base means the platform, right? So BC is the base, which is called, we denote as B. We denote it as B. Means it's called base. And this line from A to C called H. H is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, right? So in a right angle triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem we can say, what is a Pythagoras theorem? What is a Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. You know what is this? You know what is this? Let me show you. AB square. AB square is your, see here in this triangle, this one. Yes, AB square is perpendicular. So it's perpendicular square plus BC square. BC is your, yeah, this one. Yeah, base. So this is your base denoted by B. B square, and AC square is your hypotenuse. So this will be represented as small h square. So in a right angle triangle, we see a p square plus b square equal to h square, and this theorem is called Pythagoras theorem, right? This theorem is called, which we have just marked into the yellow rectangular box. This is Pythagoras theorem. Now after this, we will just discuss the concept of sine, cos and tan. What is sine, what is cos, what is tan? Okay. So similarly, for the same right angle triangle, okay, ABC, for the same right angle triangle ABC, where A is here, triangle is right angled at B, and this is C. And you know, we have already discussed that AB is the perpendicular P. In this way, we are representing 90-degree, the standing angle, right? And if some angle here, this angle, suppose here this angle is theta, mark it, students, this is opposite to P. This is opposite to P. You can see theta is opposite to P, right? So what we will say, sine theta will be P by H. That means perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? And similarly, cos theta will be equal to B by H. You know B? B is the base. Where it is? Here it's BC. This is base. This AC is hypotenuse, right? The length of hypotenuse AC is AC, which is equal to H, right? So first B by H is cos theta. That means base by H. And one more identity is sine, sorry, is sine theta. When this sine theta is divided by cos theta, we get a new term tangent, that is tan theta. And this tan theta will be equal to what? For sine theta, we have mentioned sine theta is what? Sine theta is equal to P by H. And what is cos theta? Equal to B by H. So we will just do the two fractions on the numerator and denominator. We can write it P by H into H by B, and here we can just deduct or cross H H, and we will get in the answer P by B. So this tan theta is equal to P by B, right? So we'll just I want to show you a just trigonometrical table for the different values of this. Okay, what is that? Let me show you. Okay, the lines are not very much horizontal, so don't worry for that. We'll just cover it quickly, not take too much of time, so that you will have the basic concepts of this geometry and you can apply it in your further studies, right? So here if you will take it as sine theta, and here cos theta, and here tan theta. Opposite to sine is, let me show you, just I missed it over here, so I will just show you that sine theta, the term which is opposite to that means 1 by sine theta is called cosec theta, right? And another term that is like that will be cosec theta only. Reverse of sine theta is cosec theta, right? And similarly 1 by 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta, right? And 1 by tan theta equal to cot theta. Just keep it in your mind, students. Okay, this you need to remember only. Very, very important. So if you take the table, we want to draw the table that what are the values of different trigonometrical angles. If the theta, if the value of theta is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, what will be the different values? What are the values of what are the values? Okay, let me just show you like this so that it will not jumbled up. Okay, right. So remember sine 0. Okay, the value of sine 0, that means when the theta angle will be equal to 0, when the theta angle will be equal to 0, then sine theta will be 0. When theta will be 30 degrees, sine theta equal to 1 by 2. When 45, it will be 1 by root 2. When 60, it will be root 3 by 2. When 90, when sine 90 will be equal to 1. Similarly, for cos, just go reverse to that. Sin 90 is 1, then cos 0 will be 1. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So just put it over here like this. Here, here, like this. So sin 30 will be root 3 by 2, right? Sin 45 will be same 1 by root 2. It's going into the reverse direction, mind it. The value of sin 0 will be, I will just give you that concept also. So value of sin 60 will be 1 by 2, and value of cos 60 will be 1 by 2, and value of cos 90 will be, tell me students, 0. Yes. And what will be the value of tan theta? Divide sin by cos, as we did it over here. Sin by cos. Tan theta will be 0 by 1. That means 0. This is 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. That means 1 by root 3. This is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. That means 1. Sin 40, cot tan 45, 1. This is root 3 by 2 divided 1 by 2. That means root 3. Put up the value of same sin 60 divided by cos 60. That means root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. That will lead to root 3. Similarly, tan 90, 1 by 0. Any number, when number 0 is coming in the denominator, then that will be infinity, right? So here we will take another values, another trigonometrical terms. Sine of, what was opposite of sine? It was, what was opposite of sine? It was, yes, yes, you are right, cosec. cosec theta. Opposite of cos, sec theta. Then cot theta. Cosec theta, opposite 1 by 0. That means infinity, right? That will be infinity. And 1 by 2, that means it will be 2. 1 by root 2, 1 by 1 by root 2, that means it will be root 2. Similarly, root 3 by 2, it will be reversed, then 2 by root 3. Okay, then 1 by 1 will be equal to 1. Similarly, for sec theta, 1 sine sec 0 will be 1 by, here take this value, 1 by 1 will be 1. Sec 30 degree, 1 by root 3 by 2, that means 2 by root 3. We'll just reverse the value of cos in the sec column, right? Root 2, then 2, then 1 by 0, that will be infinity, right? For cot theta, we'll do 1 by 0, infinity, because since tan 0 is 0, 1 by root 3 will be root 3, then 1, then 1 by root 3, then 0, right? Just remember this important table, right? Right, students. For any queries, I will again say you, for any queries, put up into the comment box. I will get back to you as soon as I get time. But don't worry, I will be there for any kind of help at any point of time. Okay. So thank you for the joining this session. And before closing the session, I will just give you 3 important identities which you can remember, and we will go into the details into our further educational videos. The 3 identities are sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, sec square theta plus tan square theta equal to 1, and cosec square theta plus cosec square theta minus cot square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. These are also three important identities, trigonometrical identities, which you can remember, and we will discuss in details into our further classes. Just this will give you a basic, help you to solve trigonometrical identities related problems, and definitely we'll discuss in details into our further classes, right? Thanks for watching the channel Mathics, and happy learning. Bye.